Hello, and this is Mr. Montros's special table, year of 2013, on Meiosis, by Caitlin Dingler, Andrew Gibson, Samantha Claypatch, and Ronald Mushrak. Here's a cell, a basic unit of a living thing, the smallest independently functioning unit in the structure of an organism. Here we have prophase 1. The chromosomes are still coiled up in the nucleus and is called chromatin. The chromosomes are getting duplicated, and each side is called chromatin, where they meet at the centromere. The chromosomes condense in the nucleus, and nuclear envelope starts to fragment. Tetrads are formed, and they start to move away from the center of the cell and move towards the proteins on the sides. Microtubules are formed from one centromere to the other, which give the cell structure. Here we have metaphase 1. The chromosomes are still getting moved around by the motor proteins, and the centromeres then connect to the microtubules and line up down the equator of the cell. Here we have anaphase 1. The homologous pairs split apart and start to drag to the opposite sides of the cell. In telophase 1, each of the new cell structures are reconstructed and the nuclei are formed at each structure containing 23 homologs. The cells then pull apart into new cells because of the cytokinesis. Now we have two new cells. In prophase 2, the chromosomes recondense, the spindle forms, and the nuclear envelope once again breaks down. This is metaphase 2. In metaphase 2, the spindle fibers align along the equator so that all 4 chromosomes get cut in half. In anaphase 2, much like anaphase 1, the homologs are now separate so that each chromatin is pulled to the opposite sides by the spindles of each cell. The sister chromatin are now called sister chromosomes as they move towards the opposite poles. In telophase 2, like telophase 1, the 2 nuclear envelopes are forming in each cell around the mass of the chromatins. Also, the cytokinesis is starting to occur, so each cell is starting to break apart into 4 new cells. Here are the daughter cells that are produced from meiosis. Meiosis makes the gametes, which fertilize sex cells like sperm and eggs. The fertilized cells perform mitosis to increase its tissues. They are haploid, which means they have half as much chromosomes as their parent. For example, a human cell has 46 chromosomes. In a diploid, in a haploid cell, they have 23. Thanks for watching, and that is meiosis.